the designer showroom that Kallem Interior Design uses as a resource to gather ideas for furniture, fabrics, window treatments, and pretty much everything for the interior of your home. For each client's individual needs, there are so many options to choose from. So when I'm working on a project, I come here, I gather ideas, gather fabrics, furniture choices from all of the different catalogs, and we put a project together, customized for each person's needs, for each person's style. So let me show you around a little bit in the showroom and some other things that go on here at the designer showroom. This is the window treatment room, and I love bringing clients in here because this is the best visual for people when they're trying to see what a window covering would look like on their window, how it would function, how much light it would keep out, and how it would control the light. So this is a great place to come and actually see some of the different styles that are available. And actually operate the different samples. In every one of these lines there are literally hundreds of choices to choose from for different types of fabrics, different translucencies. You can either block the light completely, or you can determine how much light you want to let in with each style, with each window treatment. We're here in the fabric room, and you can see all the different fabric options that there are available. There are literally thousands of choices to choose from. So when I'm working on a project and helping people bring style and order to their homes, one of the things that I do is I narrow down these options into usually 2 or 3 different color schemes based on my client's needs, based on my client's style. And so using all of these options, they get 2 to 3 to choose from and then get to select which one is their favorite. This is a great chair sit gallery where you can come and see the different styles, the different manufacturers, which are shown here on the walls with all of the different finish options that are available for each manufacturer. There's a retail price range so you can see approximately for each manufacturer what you would be spending for a chair. And again, you can sit in the chair. You can see how these cushions sit. You can see the depth of the seat, if this would be a good style for you or not. Here's another style from Vanguard. This is a great chair with upgraded cushions. Very, very comfortable, very high quality, very high end. You can actually see the finish of the detail on the upholstery on each one of these. They would be finished in whatever fabric the client would choose. So again, we're customizing for everyone's taste, for everyone's color scheme, for everyone's style. So all different looks can be created from starting with a chair and then selecting your fabric and your finish to use on that chair. And for instance, in this chair, again, no fabric to distort your view of what the chair actually is, but just to see how it sits, how it feels, and the quality that you would be purchasing. This is a really nice display because with this ottoman, we've got several different options of how this can be finished. We've got one side where it's open legs. You can see the detail there. Over here, we've got a skirted option. And then I really like this other side where you can really get carried away with the detail of design, and you can see what's been done here with the brads. So it really customizes this piece for this client. We're back here in the warehouse where Kallem Interior Design receives furniture. In the warehouse, what we do is we unload the furniture from the manufacturer, we inspect it, make sure that there's no damage from shipping, make sure that the quality is controlled and that it's satisfactory, and then we get it ready to be delivered. So what we do is we look over all of the cushions, make sure there's no damage, make sure the quality is what we expect. We look over the finishes of the legs, where you can see here, to make sure that there are no imperfections. And we inspect every piece that comes in before it goes out to the client. So a lot of important things happen in the warehouse. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of space for furniture that comes in. We like things to go out quickly, but if things need to sit here for a couple days while the homeowner is getting ready, this is where it is. What we have here is a line that I love to use for dining furniture, for kitchen tables, for any type of eating areas. This is a company called Dyneck, and with Dyneck, there's so many options for different looks that you can create. There's so many door styles available. Hardware options, different hardware options are available on the different styles and on the different finishes. Look at all the leg options that we have to choose from for a table. We can choose the size, we can choose how many leaves, whether they're self-storing or not. We can choose the finishes. If you look at all the different finishes that are available, that's why I love this line, is because we can create a custom look for just about anybody and customize it with the crown moldings, with the hardware, with the finish options, and with the door styles. So this is Dyneck, and I love to use this line. So now you've seen a little bit of how Kallem Interior Design helps bring style and order to your home and business. Here at the Designer's Showroom, the different options, the thousands of options that we have available for fabrics, for furniture, how we choose furniture for each individual client's needs, how we choose fabrics, the window treatment options that are available, and the samples that we can actually view and try out. And you've also seen a little bit of the behind the scenes with the very detailed ordering and tracking process, all the way to when the furniture arrives, is inspected, and is delivered to your home. So thank you for joining us on a little tour with Kallem Interior Design.